Hey there, cherished buddies! Join us on a journey through mine tech, where we delve into the remarkable features of heavy machinery and the most recent advancements in this field. Stay tuned until the end to uncover it. What could be more beneficial for a farmer than automating their tasks? Say goodbye to manually picking up fallen apples with the industrial apple harvester Spartan. Everything becomes much more manageable with this fruit harvesting machine, serving as a dependable assistant for such a demanding job. The ET18 VDS machine excels in tasks related to wood, featuring an integrated grappling system and Rico cone splitter. The Wacker Nissan ET18 VDS is a compact and highly efficient excavator specifically designed for forestry applications. With extensive experience in manufacturing weed burners of various sizes and for diverse purposes, Envodan has established itself as a reputable name in the industry. The Ether system, a patented innovation by the manufacturer, allows the machine to achieve a remarkable 40% reduction in propane consumption while significantly lowering noise levels. Tailored for organic farmers, this weed burner is specially designed for beds on ridges and organic production. When in operation, this machine effectively eliminates weeds in both rows and inter-rows without causing harm to the cultivated plants. This operational approach sets it apart from traditional weed burners, making it an ideal choice for organic farming practices. The Veneroni irrigation pump is extensively employed in expansive fields across the United States, boasting a power of 1.5 kilowatts and a frequency of 50 Hz. It exhibits the capability to generate a maximum flow rate of 4 cubic meters per hour. If you find the content compelling and want to stay updated on the newest agricultural machinery and technology updates, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos. The ability to swiftly and accurately separate crops while riding in comfort forms the cornerstone of the Oxbow Model 5175. Your time is as valuable as your seeder, echoing the manufacturer's motto. This technology empowers you to achieve more and extract the utmost productivity from every hectare of land. Built on the foundation of the detassel, Oxbow is designed to fulfill all the fundamental requirements of market consumers. Our next feature is the Top Turn X55, a significant compost turner machine utilized in composting operations. Designed to aerate the compost, accelerate decomposition, and ensure the even distribution of heat and nutrients, it plays a crucial role in the composting process. The Oxbow BH100 harvester provides affordable and gentle harvesting for small farms, achieving impressive efficiency with precision controls, harvesting up to 60 push-rows per hour. The swift collection of milo seeds by the ton unfolds like a magical dance of abundance, presenting nature's bountiful spectacle in the realm of incredible agricultural enchantment. As the cherry harvest season unfolds, this machine emerges as an invaluable assistant for farmers, effortlessly harvesting entire trees in just a few seconds. It epitomizes a perfect blend of technology and agriculture. Introducing a compact combine, this Japanese rice cutter is a marvel that speaks for itself. Rather than delving into extensive details here, The showcase visuals paint a vivid picture of the machine's impressive capabilities. It's worth noting that this mini combine is adept at efficiently harvesting rice, wheat, and corn, especially in challenging hilly and mountainous terrains. Beyond its versatile harvesting prowess, the machine stands out for its lightweight design, ensuring excellent transportation capacity. With easy transferability and straightforward maintenance, coupled with its recognition for a straightforward structure, this harvester embodies the core principles of high reliability and user-friendly operation. Should the content pique your interest and you want to stay informed about the latest developments in agricultural machinery and technology, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Plenty Farm Waltz, situated in South San Francisco, has innovated a cutting-edge vertical farming system named Plenty Farm Waltz, designed to cultivate fresh produce in a precisely controlled environment. Leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning algorithms, the system optimizes growing conditions, including temperature, humidity, and lighting, to ensure maximum yield and quality. The vertical farms by Plenty consist of multiple tiers of growing beds stacked atop each other, employing hydroponic cultivation without soil. This method allows for high-density planting, minimizing the reliance on pesticides and herbicides, thereby contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to farming. The Grimm 7530 stands as an extraordinary technological marvel in the realm of potato harvesting. With its robust cutting system, the Grimm 7530 adeptly eliminates soil, swiftly harvesting potato plants with remarkable speed and efficiency. This sugar beet harvester not only demonstrates remarkable efficiency but also features a uniquely designed mobility, effortlessly navigating diverse terrains. The Ropa Mouse 6 stands out in its class with a significantly expanded cabin and an advanced network workstation. This premium machine not only boasts cutting-edge technology but also flaunts a contemporary design that embodies the essence of digitization in agriculture 4.0. The newly crafted panoramic cabin enhances the sense of openness, extending from 5 to 10 meters in working mode. In comparison to its predecessor, the Mouse 6 cabin is 16 centimeters wider and 40 centimeters longer, providing an expansive workspace. With a generous total volume of 4,400 liters, it offers an impressive 35% more space than the Ropa Mouse 5. If you're intrigued by the content and wish to stay informed about the newest agricultural machinery and technology updates, make sure to subscribe for future videos. The Kloss Liner is a highly efficient grass harvesting machine designed to gather and neatly collect grass in rows. Utilizing 4 concentrically rotating fan blades, the Kloss Axion 830 condenses a width of approximately 5 meters into a single row. The Struck Varix 4500 stands as a premium cultivator tailored for farmers and agricultural professionals seeking to prepare fields for planting and enhance soil quality. This machine boasts 6 adjustable cultivator tines tailored to the specific needs of the field and crop. Additionally, it is equipped with Diabolo rollers, delivering an effective soil compaction system. Within our vineyards, we cultivate red wine grapes, white wine grapes, and even produce sparkling wine. However, our primary emphasis is on specializing in crafting exceptional red wines, which represent a substantial portion of our fields. Your time and engagement hold immense value, and we are honored to have you as an integral part of our expanding community. Through every video, we aim to connect with like-minded individuals who share our enthusiasm for technological innovations. Remember to subscribe, express your thoughts in the comments. See you the next video.